We're going to show you the mop head and how this mop bucket works. Again, I've got clean water in the center section of this mop that is going to clean my mop head and make it nice and sanitary clean. And we're going to mop. See all that gross debris? We're going to drop it back down in our mop bucket here. So you can see it. We're going to click this little handle here. This allows us to spin it. And down below, it's working at cleaning the mop head, shooting clean water up on the mop head, and getting it nice and sanitary and clean. So when I go to pick this up, my mop head is clean.